All right, today we're going to install this seat riser on a Malibu, 2006 Malibu 23 LSV. This seat riser will fit 2002 to 2009. Is you just need to get to the piece that has the warning sign on it. Okay, so you will need to disconnect the wire here. You need to get these 4 bolts on each side. You need to take and remove the carpet, pull the carpet back. You can undo these screws right here. Take and get these main bolts off. There's 1 on each side. Then 2 in the back. Remove these bolts here. This will give you access to you see the top plate here. Once you get to this, you need to remove the screws. Get yourself a drill and make life easier for you. Once you get the top plate off, then you need to remove these 4 bolts. Then you'll see the original platform, and make sure you keep that white disc dropped in the bottom. Remove this black cover. Take the seat platform off. Use the same existing hardware and put your new platform on. Pay attention to the way it goes here. The larger hole in the top where it pivots is up to the driver's side right. And then just go backwards, put the black cover back on. Make sure you secure everything really well. And one of the tricks is to make sure that when you put these 4 bolts back on, don't over tighten them, as the notes say. If you over tighten them, your seat won't swivel correctly. Put your top plate back on. Mount the seat back onto the top plate. Secure all the bolts. It's always a good idea to leave them somewhat loose until you get them all in, then tighten them all up. Then just put the carpet and the bolts back together, and you're pretty much done.